Tom Yum noodles Thai food. Hello there, I'm Kadunai. Today's meal. Does anyone know? I don't. The way I think about it is, he just rolled noodles into Tom Yum corn soup. By the way, you can choose from two types of noodles: rice vermicelli and wheat noodles. I chose rice noodles. The taste is delicious, too delicious. The soup is moderately spicy, with ethnic elements and milk too much. There were a lot of ingredients. Thanks for watching. See you soon.